All right, here we go. Now we talk about math again. And I usually go with the making of games. All right. So if we come up here and we go to the website about the making of games, so we're gonna come up here and where is it at? Wonder if I have it in the same location. Do I have it in the same location? There's construct. Um, okay, but what I want to do is I want to go ahead and take a little bit from construct and look at connectivity, okay? I mean so we're here, right? Math game. Oh yeah, that's the math game that we made that one time, right? Okay. And so that one is out. All right, let me go ahead and come up here. Curriculum for, what is that? Math problems. Free mathematics tutorial. I wanted to touch up on this a little bit, okay? And let's say that we go to 8th grade and we are in math, right? And let's assume that you want to learn a little bit about 8th grade, all right? And this have to do with problems. Look at this. Integers, transformations, congruence, rational numbers. So as you doing this by yourself, this is where you probably will get in a little bit of impatience. Um, so take, for example, multiply. What is this? Simplify, express your answer using positive exponents. And what is this? That's interesting. All right, so you would have to work it out, not feeling ready yet. This can help multiply power integers. Uh, so so this is where you would learn a little bit about that. An exponent shows repeated multiplications of a base. For example, in the expression x 4, x is the base and 4 is the exponent. You can expand the expression by using base x as a factor of 4 times. You can refer to an exponent expression as x over 4 as a power. And I had forgotten about this. Properties of exponents can help to simplify expressions with exponents. The table shows some properties of exponents and examples. Products of powers. You multiply this ones and they become this. This is interesting that they actually become, I don't know, what is that? Is that a multiplication? So they become those, this one's got the same exponent and they add them to each other. x divided into x equals 1x. And then that gives you, since it's division, that makes it minus. 4 divided into 4 is 4, and then you subtract 7, 8, 9, gives you a 2. And you'll give it to the one with the biggest number. I mean, the positive. You give you assign either the positive or the negative sign to the number that's the biggest, okay? So that's the property, and then you work it out this way. I used to love this. I really used to love it. But now, oh, I don't remember it. But this is you. This is what you need to do. You need to look at this and then make sense out of it. Okay? So they're telling you what they stand for, the property, the rule that you gotta go by, and then you figure out how it actually works. Uh, Products of powers. You can multiply powers with the same base using the product of powers property to multiply powers with the same base. Keep the base and add the exponents. Hmm. You keep the base and add the exponents. When you simplify it, 2, 2, 4, 5, and it tells you how to work it out. Try some problems. So this one would be, according to this, 399, 51. You keep the base, 975, and it's gonna be 3, 3. And why? Because this is the bigger numbers is division. Let's see, that's gonna work out. Oh, incorrect. Oh, that should have been plus. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 13. To multiply powers in the same base, add their exponents. And it shows you how to go and add it all up. Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, the other thing that I was gonna show you is, so we are working on the, let me see. Let me come over to the website right quick, okay? So we have math, and let me go to resources. Mm-hmm. Right there, resources, right here. And I was looking at the game coding, help students become superheroes. Okay. Code.org. Learn, teach. Click on this one. Anyone can learn computer science. Find the right learning opportunity. Let's go and try this one. No. Explore learning 5 through 11. Get started with coding. Explore the coding hour. And let's try this one. Use code to create a solar system. Mm-hmm. move the blank block to the box into the blank, choose a favorite background image. This will create that. So we move it over here or we move it here. And then we move it here. And now we run it. Type error. Guide video stop. So it tells us move the create background block from the toolbox into the, oh, so we got to move this one into here, right? Choose your favorite background image. This will create a background in, but it won't be visible. To see your background, move this into the other block. Okay, so we're gonna move this into the other block right there. Is that what he said? Mm-hmm. Then we run it. The block will run every block within it once when the program starts. And the block will, and the loop block will run every block within it over and over again. Okay. So now how do we run it? Run it here, run. I want to run it. Let me go ahead and see if I can restart it right quick. Okay, so I'll come back over here. It said to move this one here. No, not that one. This one, you put it there, and then this one, you put it here. And then you run it. Congratulations, you completed lesson 1. Keep playing. Huh. All we did was just move this guys over here. And it explains to you what we did. I was hoping we're going to see something up here, but it doesn't do anything. Let's go to the second one. Ah, now that we started this, we're going to move over to this side. And it says right here, can you figure out how to create and draw a star on the top of, let me go back over to this one. If we run it, no, I thought it was going to continue. Okay, draw a star. Let's see, is there another one that we can put in here? What if we put that one here? Mm-hmm. Well, as you can see, this will take a little bit of work. They go into here, into the blocks. Hmm. Okay. Can you figure out how to create and draw a star on top of the background? On top of the background. Create and draw a star on top of the background. Okay, you know what? This would be a really good one for you, and that's NASA. You know what? We're gonna have to play around with this coding another time. There was another coding thing that was also pretty interesting. All right. Command C, let's go ahead and put it in the math coding. All right, so we're gonna come up here. Let's go ahead and put it right in here. So we're in this section of math. We're gonna come back over to math. And I don't know if I have coding already up there. Do we have coding? All right, so I'm gonna come up here and insert this little button. Bring it over here. And let's call it coding. For, what is it? 20924. Okay. Put the link on it. And let me change the color on it. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one just like this coding. All right, close this up and let's publish it, okay? So for your 25 points, I want you to go to the website and I want you to put that button there. Okay, because we will eventually, there was another easier, another coding programs. Okay, coding temple, pay zero until you're hired. What is this? Join the one technical pathway, data. All right, let's go and back it up. Online coding for kids, 5 to 10. Okay. Activate their coding skills. Let me see if I can recognize the one that I'm talking about. Code Academy. Tinker. I think it's Tinker, yeah. Tinker. Coding for kids, get started for free. Student, how old are you? Let's assume that I'm your student, right? What is your parents and guardians email? Okay, no, let me go and see parent, teacher, that's me, okay? Continue with Google and continue. Thinker is proud, students, privacy pledge. We have several additional. Now you can use the privacy settings panel. All right, let's see what this is. Middle school, high school. Curriculum, my projects. Text coding, my shares, create a new project. Bank physics project here. Okay, yeah, this is the one that I was thinking. And all you do is you basically just, let me see, how do you run it? How do I run this? Oh, here it is. You run it. All right. So you're running this thing. Can you pick up the balls? Can we do this? So right now, it's just that, right? Now, if you move some of these things around, let's see if it runs without it. Okay, notice how this one affected this. Okay, so I don't have my glasses, but you put it back up here and you'll see that they will work the way they were set up to do. Okay. You can always change the set density. Let's assume that we want to make it 50. Okay. Play it. So the set density for that one is really slow. Hmm. All right. Let's go and change it back to 10 and play it again. I think we messed something up there. Hmm. Self-circular. What else do we have? We have rectangle. Let's see what rectangle is going to do for us. Okay, so the coding is basically you just give it something here. What is another option? Cell stage. How about hockey puck? Is that gonna change it for us? I don't get that. Hmm. So basically, all I'm trying to show you is to learn coding is you try, of course, you got to go and take their tutorials, but you can manipulate programs that already exist and by changing some of the patterns here, okay? So I kind of like this. Okay, let's go ahead and put this one also, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and go to Tinkerbell and we're going to get this one. All right. Let me go ahead and okay, sign in with Tinker. Welcome to Tinker. Let me log out. I'm gonna log out. How do I log out? Uh, log out. log out here, log out. So Tinker, that's the one. That's another one that we want to put up there. So let's go and place it in our account. All right. And where did it go? Right there? Okay, here it is. So we got coding and then we got Tinker. All right. So we're going to put another little button here. Call it Tinker. Okay, and let's put the this one up here. Now that one you have to do it with your parents, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and color it the same color so that way we know it's the same thing. Okay, is it the same thing? Yeah, I think it is. So we'll put it right there. So they're both coding programs, okay? Place them right there. All right. And we are done. Okay. So I want you to go ahead and put those on yours. So we're just trying to put a bunch of resources so that we're able to go ahead and work with this, okay? All right, so we will see you guys for the next section in about 30 minutes, okay? Have a wonderful day, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful day.